Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the cursor back on your laptop screen in case your touchpad stopped working. So if you have an external mouse, then I highly recommend connecting it to your device right now and going through all of this process basically in a minute at max. But if you don't have access to any external mouse, then you first have to press the Windows button on your keyboard and press Tab. Then use the right arrow key to navigate to settings. Basically, you can use all arrow keys to navigate here, just in case. Then press Enter to open settings. Then press Tab 2 more times. And scroll down to Bluetooth and Devices section using your arrow keys again. Press Enter to open Bluetooth and Devices section. Then press Tab 5 more times until Devices option is selected on the screen. Scroll down to Touchpad, press Enter, and now if your touchpad is toggled off, to enable it, press on, and then check if your touchpad started working. But if it didn't, don't worry. Press the combination of Alt and F4 buttons to turn off this menu. Now press Windows button once again, and let's start searching for Device Manager. Once you find it, press Enter to open it, then press Tab and use down arrow key to navigate to Human Interface Devices. To expand the Human Interface Devices list, you have to press the right arrow button, and then you scroll down to I2C HID device. It's your trackpad, it's touchpad basically. Just open it with Enter, and now press Tab several times until you have the general option right here selected. Then use right arrow key to to select driver. Press Tab several more times until you have the disable device option selected. Press Enter, and left arrow key to select yes. Enter. Wait until the devices list refreshes in the background. Press Enter once again. This will re-enable your touchpad. Now check if it's working again. And if it's not, then the last solution is pressing Tab once again to select Uninstall Device option. Press Enter again. And now your device is uninstalled. Now your touchpad shouldn't even be able to work. So now press Alt F4, then Alt F4 once again on your home screen, then arrow down key to select Restart, and press Enter and wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, 99% that you'll be able to use your touchpad again. Once your device is restarted, check your touchpad. It should be working now, since it doesn't require any additional firmware for it to work on this computer. But if it's not working, then it's most probably the hardware issue at this point, and I highly recommend contacting Lenovo customer support service. In this case, maybe they will guide you through some additional troubleshooting steps, and maybe they will tell you that you have to just take your laptop out to the service center, either to the Lenovo official service center or just nearest repair center you can find around you, and they will take care of your device for sure. Now, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.